Eventually.
There you go. There you go. You need net? Oh yeah. That's good fish. You need net? Hold on, hold on. Oh, watch your face. Got her. Got her.
Nice one.
Got her.
Nice one.
Very nice.
Alright, y'all, that's my first fish of the day. He's about a 2-pounder. He's going to go into the pond over at church. Look at that on the black and blue
Chatterbait is the dealio.
with the green pumpkin bandito bug by Guggen Baits. There you have it. It's my first fish. That's a nice fish. 2-3. There it is for you folks. That's a 2-3. Oh, there he is. Fish on? Yep. Fish number 3, guys. Good one.
I don't know if it's fast though.
Oh my, get that out of here. Come on, Kenny.
Hey man, are you kidding me? Sometimes you gotta catch a little fish.
Guys, he probably caught this like a pound, man.
Something's happening though, brother. Something's happening.
Alright, y'all. My uncle's been out here. He's been fishing like every week. The water's been cold. He's been trying his best to see if he can find these fish, locate them. And today, I think it might be the temperature change because today the water is getting close to 60 degrees. Because every other day it's been 53s, low 50s. But today I think it might be the turn here. Turn for the better. Oh, good fishing. Nice one, nice one, nice one.
Need net?
Possibly, yes. That might be a 4-pounder. No, only about 4 pounds. Oh, Kenny, come on. Let it get him in the net. Hey, he is about a 4-pounder.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one.
All right, y'all, that's fish number 4. He's about a 4 freaking pound. Look at that fish, y'all. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Kenny, for bringing me out here. I really appreciate it.
Let's get the proof.
Another one on the chatterbait with the bandito bug trailer.
I told you chatterbait's the dealio. I hook my chatterbait hanging off the side of the boat.
There it is, 313. Right there. Oh, it did break. Daggone it.
Well, and easy. Watch it.
One hour later.
There we go. Number 6. Caught him on a spinnerbait with a swim bait trailer.
Alright, y'all. This is fish number 7. This is caught this fish on the loudest, most wobbly bait I've ever used in my entire life. And so yeah, we're gonna put him in lava. He's a good 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.75 pounds. Alright, let's do it.